Hi, it's Raj. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox the TP-Link Tapo C210 360-degree smart Wi-Fi camera which I bought from Amazon India for around 2800 rupees. So, let's begin. This is a smart home security camera that works with Alexa, has two-way audio, night vision, motion detection, and more. Let's see what's inside the box and how it works. The box is pretty simple and minimalist. It has the TP-Link logo and the name of the product on the front, along with some features and specifications. On the back, there are some more details about the camera. Let's check what's inside the box. We have a GNU General Public License Notice, a mounting template, a quick start guide, then the camera unit, the camera base, mounting screws and wall plug, and finally a 9V 0.6 amps power adapter with 3 meters long power cable. The camera feels sturdy and well made. It can cover every corner of your room. It also has a speaker and a microphone so that you can talk to your family or pets through the camera.
Hello.
Setting up the camera is easy. All you need is a smartphone, the Tapo app, and a Wi-Fi network. Firstly, download the Tapo app from Play Store or App Store. Open and create a Tapo ID. Power on the camera and add it to the app by choosing the appropriate category. Wait for the camera LED to blink red and green. The phone will now get connected to the camera's Wi-Fi. Now, using the Tapo app, connect the camera to your home Wi-Fi network by entering the password. Now, in the smartphone's Wi-Fi settings, switch to your home Wi-Fi network. That's it. Now, the app will show some customization settings for your camera like name of the device, location of the device, optional subscription to the Tapo Care, setting up SD card for local recording. It supports up to 256 GB. Linking to third-party services like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT. You can now start watching the live feed from the camera in the Tapo app even if you are not connected to your home Wi-Fi. Mounting the camera on a wall or roof is easy. All you need is the tools. Stick the mounting template onto the surface. Drill holes with 6mm drill bits. Use the screws and wall plugs provided to fix the base. Now, attach the camera to the base and rotate clockwise to secure. For detaching, power down the camera and rotate anti-clockwise gently. Towards the end, apply a little bit more torque to separate the camera from the base. For details, you can refer the quick start guide or the mounting guide in the app. After mounting, use the pan and tilt correction from the app's advanced settings. Also, make sure to set the correct time zone in the Tapo app for scheduling to work properly. The camera has some impressive features that makes it a great choice for home security. Here are some of them. Ultra high definition video. The camera records every image in crystal clear 3 megapixel resolution, which is higher than most cameras in this price range. You can see every detail in your room, even when you zoom in. The video quality can be set to 2K, 1080p or 720p. Advanced night vision. The camera has an 850 nanometer infrared LED that provides a visual distance of up to 30 feet in low light conditions. You can clearly see what's happening at night without any distortion. You can also set the night vision mode to auto or manual, that is day or night. Motion detection and notifications. The camera detects motion in your room and sends alert to your phone. If you have TapoCare subscription, then the camera will send notifications with a snapshot of the event. The camera also makes alarm as sound and light to scare away unwanted visitors or intruders. The alarm timings can also be scheduled. The motion detection sensitivity can be adjusted. You can also enable motion tracking and AI detection to make the activity detection more effective. There is also a quick toggle in the app menu to switch between customizable home and away modes. Two-way audio. The camera has a built-in microphone and speaker that allows you to communicate with your family or pets through the app. You can also use it as a baby monitor or a pet cam. The voice call or speak feature in the Tapo app helps you to achieve this. Tilt and pan. This camera can cover every nook and corner with its 360-degree pan and 114-degree tilt. You can also do a horizontal and vertical patrol with the Tapo app. Also, saving any particular point of interest is possible with the app. Voice control. You can also enable voice control by linking your camera to your Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant account. This way, you can use voice commands to view your camera feed on your smart display or get activity voice notifications in your smart speaker. You can also use Tapo app or IFTTT for smart actions and routines. Privacy mode. You can enable privacy mode to disable the surveillance. In advanced settings, you can even hide a portion of the scene. Safe storage. The camera supports local storage of up to 256 GB on a micro SD card, which is equal to 512 hours, that is 21 days of footage. You don't have to worry about cloud storage fees or internet hacking incidents. These recordings can be scheduled using the Tapo app. There is continuous recording and detection recording. To prevent SD card from running out of space, they have added loop recording feature. With loop recording turned on, old recordings will be overwritten. video editing and customization. Recorded videos can be clipped and downloaded to your phone. You can also record a clip or take a snapshot from the live feed. Display rendering can be switched between hardware or software. We can also add timestamp, custom text, and Tapo logo to the video. RTSP support. Tapo cameras support RTSP protocol in order to work with third-party devices such as network video recorders and network attached storages. You will need to create a separate device account for this function. Some other noteworthy features are auto reboot scheduling, power line interference correction, and device sharing. The camera performs very well in different scenarios. I have tested it in my living room, bedroom, and kitchen, and I was impressed by the video quality, night vision, motion detection, and two-way audio. The app is also very user-friendly and intuitive. You can easily switch between different cameras, view live feed or playback, take snapshots or record videos, talk through the camera, or control it with your voice. The only downside I found is that the camera doesn't support 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks, but only 2.4 GHz ones. This might affect the speed and stability of your connection if you have a lot of devices on your network. Also, you need to subscribe to Tapo Care for cloud storage, but a micro SD card, network attached storage, or video recorder can come handy here. Overall, I think this is a great smart home security camera that offers a lot of features for a reasonable price. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to monitor your home, this camera might be the one for you. In my case, the camera has performed without a glitch till now. You can find the product's link in this video's description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.